I can't remember the last time I've run into something like duplicate content.
Yeah.
Now, when you have WordPress is over 40% of the websites online, that takes care of a multitude of problems. Early days, it was duplicate content, it was canonicalization, it was, as you said, you could make a living just focusing on the technical problems and technical issues and getting a website spidered. And it's interesting, and you probably remember this back in the day, there was always a little tension in between the groups. Like, here were the more technical side of SEO, and here is the more, I would call the writing side, the journalistic side, those that focused on writing good content and optimizing it and developing it, and then kind of off in the corner, we're the business people, that we need to show client results. We need to, apply this. And there was always a little bit of tension among the groups, but yet it was a friendly tension. And now, yes, the pressure and the spotlight is on that content piece. The content and the business piece is what has risen now as being the most significant. In fact, most of the SEOs I run into right now do not deal any in any shape or form in the technical side. And in fact, they know very little about it because it's just not as prevalent as it used to be.
Well, that's true, but it didn't go away.
Right.
It didn't
No.
go away.